Volkswagen Barbie here, and today we're back in the craft room. Started out in the workshop on Farrah. After her AC install, we went to go put in her glove box, only to discover it was a tad too big to fit her air conditioner components. So, went out to the shop, went ahead and cut about 5 inches off of the bottom of this. We're doing a little faux insert, so I've kind of got it just temporarily placed in there now. I'm gonna be pulling it apart, putting some sticky weather strip to get that piece put down. But since this is gonna have to be a hard box because it has a strap that goes around it and I cut the back support off, what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm going to resin seal both the inside and the outside. That will give it a hard exterior and allow the strap to strap it back into place. Wish me luck, and we're getting crafty. Phase 1 done of the glove box renovation. Quite a bit shorter, but will still give me a little bit of space in Farrah. So as you can see, I've got a nice faux bottom in there now, but it is soft, and I've got to beef this up. So now it's going to be resin pouring in this bottom tray and through this outside. I need to keep the resin fairly thin so that it fits back into the space of Farrah's dash. But I think that will give just a hardened shell. I probably will only have to carry it up the sides, maybe an inch or two. But